What's up, YouTube? This is Dogman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That this case is made by Crave. They make good cases. I've used them before. So let's go ahead and check this one out and see what they're all about. All right, you're going to be able to get this from Amazon. You can see the case right here. You got different colors you can get, many different colors. So if you're not, if you want, you have some choice, green, red, navy, $18.99 on Prime. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now here's the box right here. Simple boxing. I got 3 of these. Crave was nice enough to send me a few of them to check out. So they all of these are the same. It's in different colors, but we're going to check out one, see how it looks. Now this is going to be a durable case. You got a dual layer design. See that right there, the rubber inside, polycarbonate outside. You got a silicone case inside. You got a pattern here for shock absorption, and you got your camera cut out there, nice and big. And you got your openings for your ports. Looks nice and well tailored there. Nothing on the side there. You got your power button and your volume up and down rocker. I don't see any branding or anything, but mic hole up top. And probably not going to add too much bulk, all right? And the material is got a pattern. You can hear that. So you're going to have a little bit of grip there. You got the Crave insignia right there. It's embossed in this with the case. So let's get the S26. Let's get the S26 Ultra, put it in and see how it looks. All right, here's the phone right here. All right, so it fits pretty nice, and their case always fits nicely. Now the front, you can see you got some protection for the glass right there. The camera is well protected. You see that? No problem there. It's all raised up, and the power button works fine. No problem. Everything lines up on the bottom in terms of your S Pen charging port and your mic, speaker, all that works well. You got your mic holes up top right there. And it's a good case. Not too much bulk, and you got some grip as well. So, and you got good protection because it's got that dual layer design. All right. Now we're going to check out wireless charging, see how it looks. Okay, so this case does have MagSafe, as you can see. So MagSafe worked pretty good. Nice strong magnet, holds pretty good, and it is charging, fast wireless charging, so that works pretty well. All right, here's the wireless charger right here. All right, we put that on, and wireless charger works there. Let's stand it up, see how it works when we stand it up. Okay, so it picks up wireless charging there as well. This is an old charger. You got to set it up right. Okay, so it picked up charging there as well. So charging works pretty well with the case. All right, now, as I said, you have a few more cases here in different colors. Let you see what that looks like, so you can decide if you want to. This is a black one right here. Let's peel this off. Case comes off pretty easily. Goes on nice. I like the black one. It looks nice. See that right there. So if you want the black, this is what it looks like right here, and it looks pretty good on the device. All right. Now the other one we have is a gray case. This is what that looks like. You put that on. And all these cases have good grip. This is a nice two-tone color here. This is a nice two-tone color on this case right here. I like that too. So if you like that color right there, that's what it looks like. How it's going to look on your device. All right. So that was a quick look at the Crave case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get this. Great cases. If you have any questions, here in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.